New developments in the suitcase murder trial. A jury has finally been selected in the case against Sarah Boone.
And today there is a lot more back and forth over whether evidence can be used to support the battered spouse syndrome defense. Fox 35's Stephanie Buff-Monty is live outside the Orange County Courthouse with more on what happened in the courtroom today. Stephanie.
Yeah, I just walked out of the courtroom a few minutes ago. We finally have a jury in the Sarah Boone trial. Jury selection had been going on for the last 4 days. Now, the state was hoping to get to opening statements this afternoon, but that was all kind of pushed back because of a hearing, like John, you were mentioning earlier this morning, to talk about evidence regarding the battered spouse syndrome, which is the defense that Sarah Boone's attorneys would like to use. So Sarah Boone is accused of zipping her boyfriend, Jorge Torres, up in a suitcase and leaving him to die during a drunken game of hide and seek back in 2020. The defense says Torres had his hand out of the suitcase and Boone hit his hand with a baseball bat, as she believed if he got out, he'd hurt her. The state laid out their case today, essentially saying Boone cannot claim self-defense if there was nothing that happened to push her to defend herself. The state adding she claimed she feared for her life after she already zipped him up in the suitcase and hit him with the bat. Boone sat there without expression as the assistant state attorney read the transcript of the cell phone video that investigators say shows Boone filmed Torres inside the suitcase while he was pleading for his life, and you hear Sarah telling him to shut up.
F you. I can't effing breathe, Sarah. You should probably shut the F up. Sarah. Shh. That's our case. That is an evinced, depraved mind, conscious disregard for whether he lives or dies, whether she put him in there or not. She let him remain for 2 minutes during that video.
Now, the defense argues previous abuse is relevant to the charges she is facing because it's what pushed her to be scared for her safety. According to court documents, Torres had been arrested in 2019 for domestic violence against Boone. The defense finished their questioning of the panel of potential jurors, asking them about self-defense, among other questions.
At any time in your life, have you felt or did you have to defend yourself? Is there anyone in the panel by show of your paddles that's claustrophobic? Sometimes people drink alcohol and just get downright mean. Do you agree with that? Raise your paddle.
Now, again, we officially have our jury, or the jury for Sarah Boone's trial, and opening statements will start tomorrow morning at 9. And just an update, Sarah Boone, as I mentioned the other day, had requested snacks in the courtroom. She asked for chips, candy, Pop-Tarts, boxes of juice. That was denied today. Reporting live in Orlando, Stephanie Buff-Monty, Fox 35 News.